How you doing? I'm TreniuS, and you're tuned in to the famous Living Rim Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. That's how I start my videos out here on YouTube. Once upon a time, I didn't start my videos out like that. Once upon a time, I had like a ghetto intro and it did not intrigue my viewers, okay? But the more you start working on YouTube, the better you get. YouTube is so easy that it will make your head spin, okay? In this video, I'm about to tell you how to start an amazing YouTube channel in 2020, just like this, all right? I've been doing YouTube for 5 years now, and every year I get better and better, and YouTube becomes more easier and more easier. I remember it just like yesterday, man. I started YouTube. I was laying in my bed. This is when flip phones was out. I was like recording videos in my bedroom, and I had a flip phone, and I was just recording myself, and I was just wondering, like, I wonder who will be able to like see me and like me. And then my friend told me of this thing called YouTube, and then I started uploading my videos to YouTube, and then the next thing you know, everybody started watching me, and then I started becoming like interested into YouTube, and then people started becoming interested into me, and I'm just like, how could this be? Then all of a sudden, here you are with me right now in this video right now. So that's why I'm about to tell you all the things you need to do in order to make it here on the YouTube platform. Now, once again, YouTube is extremely easy. A lot of people think that it's extremely hard because they don't have technological skills, because they are afraid of the camera, because they are afraid of what people think about them and all the type of stuff like that. But that's not true, because when you're making YouTube videos, the only thing that you're looking at is your cell phone. That's right. Like, I'm looking at my cell phone right now. There's nobody around. I'm looking at my cell phone, and I got some palm trees in front of me, not only behind me, but I also have some palm trees in front of me, and I have like this huge lake in front of me. So I'm looking at the lake and palm trees, but I'm looking at you at the same time, okay? But that's all you need in order to start your YouTube channel and to become successful on YouTube. The only thing you need is a cell phone, preferably Android or Samsung. Okay, if you have an iPhone, that is incredibly wonderful, okay? Because the cell phones that they're making nowadays, they have HD compatibility with YouTube, okay? So the only thing you need to do is set your cell phone up, like I have mine, on a tripod, and then turn the cell phone facing you and just record your videos, and you'll be like me with 100,000 subscribers. Whee! It's so easy, all right? I got 100,000 subscribers almost what it feels like overnight. For those of you who follow me all the time, y'all know how fast I got 100,000 subscribers. Y'all seen how fast I like trickled up to 100,000 like overnight. 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, 5,000. Like, I got so many subscribers simply because I just love what I do on YouTube. And see, that's another thing that you got to understand about YouTube. In order to make a successful YouTube channel in 2020, you have to know exactly what you want to YouTube about. Do you want to YouTube about detailing cars? Do you want to YouTube about Play-Doh? Do you want to YouTube about like your travel extravaganzas and everything that you're doing when it comes to traveling? Do you want to YouTube about coaching people, about math, or whatever it is that you like to talk about? It could be carpet cleaning. I know people who make videos where they're cleaning carpet and people watch those videos. It could be a video about anything, slime. Or maybe you're like my little young cousin. He likes to do Fortnite videos and whatever. So he makes his YouTube channel about playing Fortnite. And everybody that watches him likes to watch Fortnite and him play Fortnite. Are you that type of YouTube content creator? Well, listen, you can create a lot of exposure, okay? And it's really easy on YouTube. You can make a lot of money on YouTube. As a matter of fact, YouTube pays you monthly. As long as you're able to accumulate $100, you will get YouTube checks every single month. I get a YouTube check every single month. I made my first $100 on YouTube about 5 years ago. I mean, I've been doing YouTube about 5 years, right? Okay. My first year that I started doing YouTube videos, I made my first $100 check after I became monetized, when I got my first 1,000 subscribers. Because YouTube starts paying you once you get 1,000 subscribers. They start to monetize all those videos that you recorded before, all right? So that means advertisement agencies put their advertisements on your videos from the beginning of time up until your current time of you remaking YouTube videos. Okay, so that means that you will be getting paid for all the YouTube videos that you recorded since the beginning of time up until now. That's a lot of money, all right? So I accumulated my $100 really fast. And after that, I began to make more, like $200. And I began to like get $1,500. Then I went up. I just kept going up and up and up and up to like, now I make like $7,000 a month on YouTube, literally. And the only thing I do is just get on here and talk in front of waterfalls and palm trees. That's practically what I do in order to make amazing YouTube videos for you, okay? So I'm telling you this, man, it is extremely easy. We're living in dire times right now where a lot of people don't have a lot of jobs. And if you don't have a job right now, YouTube is your gateway. This is your calling. This is what you should do. You should start a YouTube channel. It is so easy. Once again, the only thing you need is a cell phone and a laptop and an idea. Whatever that idea is, it could be anything. It don't matter what it is. People will love to hear your ideas. It don't matter what it is. You got many different people out here that will love your idea. So many people call me up and say, Tren, well, I don't know what to make my YouTube about, man. Like, what should I make it about? Am I gonna get any views? It don't matter if you wanted to talk about the ants in the ant farm. It doesn't matter. People like me, I love to watch insects on a microscopic level. That's just me. When I tune into National Geographic, that's what I tune into. I tune into videos about meerkats. I want to see how meerkats' lifestyles are. That's just me. So I'm just saying that all to say this. There are billions of people on planet Earth that might want to watch your video just because that's what they like to watch, okay? And YouTube provides that platform for you, all right? So if you're the type of person that wants to make the weirdest videos, you don't know what to make a video about, but you have a slight idea of what you want to make your YouTube channel about, I just want to let you know, this idea that you have will be very amazing, okay? So with that being said, I'm willing to help you. My name is TreniuS. You know, I'm a life coach here on my channel, all right? I have a vlog channel, but I'm a life coach. And what I do is I help people who want to start their YouTube channels, all right? So if you want to start your YouTube channel, you want to get 100,000 subscribers or more like I have, 5 million plus views like I have, 1,500, I'm sorry, I said 15. 1,500 plus videos like I have, get in contact with me. I will help you be able to start your amazing YouTube channel today if you simply just purchase my YouTube course. It's totally inexpensive. It's not $2,000. It's not $1,000. It's not $100. It's not $75. All right? It's cheaper than that. My YouTube course, and then I talk to you personally, one-on-one. It's not just me sending you some email to try to tell you how to become successful on YouTube. No. You get to hear from this guy right here in the red, yellow, and blue retarded looking shirt, one-on-one, all right? I actually like this shirt, all right? You get to hear me one-on-one, all right? So if you want my YouTube course and you're interested in starting your amazing YouTube channel this year, make sure that you get in contact with me. Do not look back. Do not second guess, all right? This is the time to burn the ships. No looking back. This is your time to start your very own YouTube channel and begin to make money off your YouTube channel every single month. And you'll never have to work for anybody else ever again as long as you have a very creative idea. All right? It's as simple as that. Just do what I just told you in this video. How do you get in contact with me? Simply just send me an email right now in the comment section below. At the very top of the comment section, you'll see my email. It has some fire emojis around it. That bird said he's going to send me an email. TreniusHenderson@gmail.com. Just send me an email right now and say, TreniuS, I want that YouTube course. All right, TreniusHenderson@gmail.com. Send me that email. I will start you on my YouTube course, and I will be talking to you in no time, and I will help you become successful here on YouTube and start an amazing channel in 2020. This is so easy. It'll make your head spin. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.